Briefly about nanostabilizers. This is NanoStabilizer LT. This is what it looks like. And it will lead to a translucent liquid nanoemulsion. Droplet size is approximately 27 nanometers or so. It comes with SOPs. You don't have to invent anything. You don't have to really make any decisions. You just follow simple procedure. But if you want to experiment, there are lots of things that you could do with it. For example, you could use it in ratios that we recommend, or you could change that. So we recommend using 5 parts of nanostabilizer to 1 part of your cannabinoid. The process is very simple. You simply mix the two. That mixture goes into the ultrasonic system with some water, and then you just push the button that says start and wait for this nanoemulsion to become translucent, or if you have the ability to measure droplet sizes, that's better. Then you know when you're done, but you don't have to really do anything. You just watch the system produce. And I should have mentioned that the BSP 1200 and the ISP 3600 are both 24/7 production systems. They're water-cooled, they don't overheat, they never have to stop. You could just work. They're flow-through, so those are the systems used to actually pump out product. But if you take the 5-to-1 ratio that we recommend and change it, let's say you go to 4-to-1, the droplet size goes up a bit, but the formulation is still translucent. You can see it, this is in its concentrated form. So once you dose that into water, it becomes completely transparent. If you go to 3-to-1, you're still okay. But if you go below 2.5 or 2-to-1 or so, you can see that the upper edge of the distribution here, so this upper edge here, starts to exceed 200 nanometers. So this is not the median, this is the right tail. And that's a problem because you really should, at the end of the process, filter your nanoemulsion. Filtration is done for a number of reasons, but it's good, if possible, to do sterile filtration. That makes sure that the nanoemulsion has absolutely no microorganisms on the other side of it. And you cannot do that if your droplets exceed in size the size of the pores in the sterilizing filter, and that's 220 nanometers. So we recommend that you not go below about 2.5-to-1. But you could go anywhere from 5-to-1 to 3-to-1, and really it's just up to you. It could be economics, it could be that translucency is not that important to you. Who knows why? You have that flexibility.